Good day, this is SmartwatchSpecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the H9 Pro Max Smartwatch. It is a sports smartwatch powered by the Lexus Fit application as its support app. Remember, we do have the H9 Max Smartwatch. Okay, so it is also a sports smartwatch. But this time we are going to review the H9 Pro Max Smartwatch. Do they have the same features? We'll see. Okay, so we'll have the unboxing review of the design, the specs, as well as the UI of this H9 Pro Max Smartwatch. So if you are interested to get this one, but you want to know first the features or the design as well as the specs, watch this video. And if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's start and have the unboxing of the H9 Pro Max Smartwatch. Okay, so this is the packaging of the H9 Pro Max Smartwatch. Very simple, and we only have a few details here about the smartwatch. All we know is that it is using the Lexus Fit application. We have here the QR code, and we have the color black for the wearable. Okay, anyways, so let's start and let's check out the contents of the packaging. Okay, let's see. So we have here the smartwatch. We have the user manual. Okay, we have the charging cable. So this is a bit magnetic, so there's a magnet here but not that strong. USB type A. And we have the smartwatch. Yep, metal body. Okay, I thought it's plastic. And we have a sports strap with a quick release pin for easy attachment. Again, here are the contents of the H9 Pro Max Smartwatch. So we have the strap, the smartwatch, the charging cable, charging cradle, and the user manual. So this is your H9 Pro Max Smartwatch. Let's check out the contents here of the user manual. So we have the features here, very small, not going to read it anymore, very hard to read. We have the compatibility here, Android 5.0 and above, iOS 9.0 and above. So it is using the Bluetooth 5.0. On the bottom part, we have the watch maintenance. At the back, we have the Chinese language. Okay, so there's no specs here for the wearable. So let's remove the plastic here. So we have the smartwatch. We have the black color, semi-glossy finish. We have a crown button here, plastic cover here at the back, and we have the power connector. We have the sensor here, the speaker, and let's see. Okay, we have a mic hole here. Let's attach the strap. Again, it is using a quick release pin. Okay, before we attach the strap, let's check first the weight without this strap. 00. We have 32.46 for the weight. Again, 32.60, 32.59 or 60. With the strap attached, less than 50 grams, 45.58. For the dimension of the strap. Okay, if you are curious to know if it's 0.22 or 0.20, it is 0.20 millimeter. Okay, usually what we have for smartwatches here, it is using the 0.22 millimeter. Let's attach it. Hopefully we can attach it easily. That's it. Okay, then this one. Okay, so this is the look of your H9 Pro Max Smartwatch. Black color, semi-glossy finish. We have a crown button here. I think this is also a rotary crown button. We have a sporty strap, 0.20 millimeter, with a quick release pin for easy attachment. Plastic back cover at the back, metal body frame. For the size, okay, medium size for the wearable. For the dimension of the body frame, 40, let's see again, 39. Okay, for the length here, it's around 47. For the thickness without the cover here for our sensor, $10.8, or shall we say 11. I think it's around 11. Okay, so medium size body frame for our H9 Pro Max smartwatch. I think it's available in silver, gold, and black color based on the image here. Okay, so this is your H9 Pro Max smartwatch. So let's turn it on so we can check the UI. It is powered by Lexus Fit application. Okay, let's see. Okay, rotary crown button, and we have here a different wallpaper that shows the black border of our smartwatch. Very slim so far, and it's very good. As you can see, it is proportion, top and down, left and right. Okay, other smartwatches do have a much wider black border on the bottom part. Okay, with our H9 Pro Max, it's all the same size. Okay, so this is your H9 Pro Max. Again, let's have the specs for the wearable. Okay, for the specifications, I'm going to post it here. 2.01 inch screen display, and with a 240 by 285, I think, pixel resolution. I'm not sure about the pixel resolution, as a lot of shopping site did not include it. Only one source that I checked that there's a pixel resolution. 5.0 Bluetooth 5.0 for the connectivity, and with a alloy material body, I think zinc alloy body, available in black, silver, and gold color. It's also available in different languages, and with a 7 days battery life, as well as it is using the Lexus Fit application. So here's the details for the specifications along with its compatibility requirement. Okay, check it out. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing review of our H9 Pro Max for the specifications. And for the UI, before we end, we have notifications on top. We have the one-page common applications here on the left side. Okay, grid type menu with all the common apps also. On the left side or right side, we have the cards. To access the main menu, just press the power button. Okay, so that's it for the UI. That's it for the UI of the H9 Pro Max smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the unboxing review of its design, the specs, and the UI, drop a comment below. Again, like, share, and subscribe.